Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share your location on iPhone. Here's a really simple way to share your location on iPhone with anyone on your contact list. And if they're not on your contact, just add them to your contact, and that will make the process really simple. So, to share your location, press the iPhone icon right here and select the person that you want to share your location with. Scroll down the page, and at the bottom it would say share my location. If you press this one, there will be three options. My choice will always be the last one, to share your contact location for 1 hour. That's usually more than enough. So press this one, and then it says stop sharing my location, so it works. Then go to messages of the same person that you just shared your location with, and then you see right here above the messages you started sharing your location. So it works now. So this is an easy way to share your location on iPhone. Thanks for watching.